Hey guys, this is Manoj and welcome to my channel Live Blogger. Well, writing a SEO friendly article is an art which could take your blog or your writing career to the next level. Anyone can write an article, but it takes a special kind of practice to write SEO optimized articles. Everyone wants to grow their business without increasing marketing budget, right? If you want to do so, then make sure you produce SEO friendly content. So let's go ahead and check what are the best practices to write SEO friendly content. SEO friendly websites with solid authority and a good backlink profile rank higher in the search engines. But I am not going to tell you everything you need to know about optimizing your website content. That's a whole another guide. But here is a 2 simple tips you should follow in order to write SEO friendly content for your blog. The first point will be keyword research and optimization. You should remember one thing, always research about your keyword before starting to write the article. Because without research, your article will look uninterested and confusing. If you really want to make a difference for yourself or for your blog, then you have to research properly about your content. While researching, the most important thing you have to consider is the keyword and the topic of your content. You have to use the keyword wisely enough so that your article will look keyword rich and well optimized. But in the same time, you should not spam the article with the keyword, otherwise it will have a negative effect. We recommend you to use tools such as SEMrush, Ahref for proper keyword research. It will help you out and in the same time it will make your job easy enough. But remember one thing, these tools are premium and you have to pay handsome amount of money per month. But the good thing is that these tools have trial offers which lets you use them for free for a certain period of time. If you like them, then you can buy their monthly membership plans. There are also free tools available, but we won't recommend them to you because they are neither accurate nor reliable. And the most important point is content optimization. Without awesome content, the SEO strategy will be meaningless. You should always create content that is well written and well phrased. Create article that has high quality content that is appealing, vibrant, informational, detailed and unforgettable. Now that you have researched about your topic and ready to write a fabulous article. But while writing the content, you have to consider several things like usage of proper post title and subheadings, interlinking your previous content, optimizing the length of your article, optimizing your images, making the article social media friendly and try to avoid spelling and grammar mistakes. If you consider these optimal techniques while writing the content, then the outcome will be rewarded in the form of Google ranking in various search engines. I want you guys to be able to start producing quality content that is not only user friendly but also SEO friendly. There are always other things you can do to maximize the SEO friendliness of your content. But most importantly, you have to follow this basic rules. If you feel that this video helped you, then please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such content.